P2 Porcelain is an economy clay body designed to provide a high degree of translucency at slightly lower firing temperatures. It fires between 1220 and 1240 degrees Celsius. This makes it an excellent choice for potters and ceramic artists seeking cost-effective solutions that still deliver impressive translucency and performance without compromising on quality. This off-white, very smooth porcelain maintains the beautiful translucent qualities that are highly desired in porcelain, allowing for the creation of elegant and refined pieces. P2 Porcelain is perfect for artists looking for an economical option. Its lower firing temperature reduces energy costs while still achieving beautiful translucent results. Ideal for throwing, modelling and casting, this clay offers the flexibility and workability needed for both functional and decorative projects. Whether you are producing fine tableware, delicate sculptures or intricate art pieces, P2 Porcelain provides an affordable yet high-quality medium to bring your creative visions to life.